You go?
Yours is going as mine?
Yeah, no.
Alright, let's go. What did you say?
Hey, you glad you bought your jumper, eh?
A jacket, yeah.
Oh, it's so windy.
Yeah, cunt. Jump up on the seat.
I know, I was like, oh.
My bars are out, cunt, but oh well. The bars, I forgot I was in eco and I started going hard and then it cut off. That wasn't there, yeah. Loving it. Dude, they're all scoping at the brewery. Wait, the brewery, there's like a brewery or something there, and all the kids, all the parents are just looking and pointing. You're just doing a wheelie. Oi, free pool? 2 of them?
No, you gotta jump. There's a gate there, buddy.
Oh, that's Harvey's Fun Park. They used to have a BMX track in there. At Harvey's Fun Park. Oh, you know there's an old motocross track here somewhere? Because for the causeway, it's in here somewhere, but it used to get flooded like every weekend. So they had to move it. But there is one in here.
Oi. Oh, it's not open. Fuck, I thought that was so open. Oh, who's little hut?
Fuck, alright, going over there, cunt.
What, you know?
No, cunt.
No, let's go see.
Oh, there's still someone there, cunt. Dude, that's full setup. Get out of the way, let's go, cunt. Fuck this joint.
Oh, yo. There's fat bridges, bro.
Oh, let's go. Yeah, it's just a wetland area. There's heaps of fucking shit. Yeah, all the way out there.
Oh, you know where else?
How long way?
Huh?
How long way? Mungo.
Yeah, this is that road I was drifting on.
Yeah. Dude, that was fun. Oi, 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 oi. Oi, film me hitting this. Follow me. Yeah, follow me, ready? I love hitting that. Every time I come back from Stocky, I smash that. looks sick. Hit that one!
Yeah. Let's get it. Take a break. So, hey, Sherry, I'm coming. Let's get it.
It's lit. Just take a look at the drip. You boys don't get fired in this. Roll a dope, yeah, I'm high as a bitch. Wait, it's lit. Get that little bitch a little tip. Now she wanna suck on the dick. She wanna catch all of the drip. Pull up and I'm loading the clip. New bitch, yeah, stay on my hip. Niggas talking, they not with the shit. Catch a body, you might just get hit. But lately been all about drip. New designer, just look at the fit. And I just blew a bag on my bitch. You got clout, but you don't got the drip. You get money, that's some type of myth. I can blind you, bitch, look at the wrist. For that bag and I might take a risk. Don't get crushed cause you care about a bitch. Pass the Henny, I'm trying to get lit. Trying to get out my body and shit. Fuck around and start bodying shit. Remember nights when you was starving and shit. You my brother, I got you, that's it. We can never fall out by the bitch. We was swimming with sharks and them fish. In the field with them lions and pitch. Swear these niggas be lying and shit. Talking money, don't buy their own shit. Baby mothers be buying them shit. You not lit, you depend on the bitch. Swear to God, man, I'm clever as shit. Still can trap any weather I'm in. Throw me working, I'm making it flick. With a whipping, you might just get sick. Throw me extra, you know we gon' win. Getting money, I've been doing this. Since a youngin', I've been had to drip. Make a movie, not talking a clip. It's lit. Just take a look at the drip. You boys don't get fired in this. Roll a dope, yeah, I'm high as a bitch. Wait, it's lit. Get that little bitch a little tip. Now she wanna suck on the dick. She wanna catch all of the drip.
He was loving it.